Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay, my name is Mrs. Ness-Ana, and guess what? Hello boys and girls, how are you? Welcome back to the class. Okay, our topic for today is animals and their sounds. Again, animals and their sounds. Today we will be listening and learning the different sounds made by different animals. Are you ready? Okay, the first one is cat. C-A-T, cat. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Cow. C-O-W, cow. Pig. P-I-G, pig. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Very good. Okay, friends, that will be the end of today's class. See you next time, and don't forget, Mrs. Ness-Ana loves you.